Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore what is called percentile. So the Cth percentile of a data set is the value that has C% of the data or at or below it, that means less than or equals to it. So if I have a percent, see, this is the notation here. So if I go back to what we previously learned about quartiles, first quarter is Q1, second quarter, which is the medium, is Q2, third quarter is Q3. They actually correspond to the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentile, which means the lower quartile Q1 is the 25th percentile. The medium corresponds to the 50th percentile, and the upper quartile corresponds to the 75th percentile. And so the approach to finding the C number of the percentile is the same as finding that of the quartiles, which we'll explore in some examples. So do check out those videos. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.